Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. So let's do the Nifty analysis. Okay, so if you look at the chart, this is in Nifty which I've plotted. Right, looking at the chart, can someone say whether Nifty is at the support level or at the resistance or in between the support and resistance? Absolutely no, right? Even a newbie trader or an experienced trader, right, looking at the chart, he cannot know the support and resistance, right? So now what I'll do, right, I've just plotted all the support and resistance lines. See, this is how the trading has made easy. So if you have this levels plotted, so again let me go back. If I deselect this, if I do not have any levels marked or any trend line, what we call it is price action, right? So price action has its own definition, right? Someone use the indicator, someone uses the patterns, someone uses the trend lines, support lines, horizontal, vertical, junk lines, you name it, right? But you need to have them, right, so that you will know the levels and everything. So just in case, if I want someone to say what is Nifty doing, no one can say whether it is at a support or resistance, but if you plot these lines, right, you will be able to know. Now let's talk about the price action. Let me take you to my telegram channel. So if you look at this chart, right, so I might have shared this chart on 27th Feb, okay, day before yesterday. I clearly said make or break for Nifty. Hope the blue trend line gets respected. No, if not, Nifty to fall more, right? This was the price action what I've done on 26. Now look at this chart, guys. So what did I say? If this blue line gets respected, if this blue line get respected, so then we can say that okay, Nifty has not yet started the downtrend, because this will act as a support. If this blue line gets breached, right, if this blue line gets breached, so then Nifty can fall. But what happened today? So let me take you to the current trade, right? This is where I've shared the trade, but after 2 days this got respected, this blue line got respected, and Nifty had a bounce back. Almost like today it closed in green. Now if I remove this line, guys, if I remove this line, okay, so if I have just this blue line and this white line, forget about this white line, forget about this white line. We are not concerned about the all-time high or the resistance. First we should be concerned about the support. Now why this blue line is acting as a support? Whenever, see, this acted as a resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, meaning whenever, these are all rejections, right? Price went up, it got rejected. Price went up, it got rejected. Third time price went up, it got rejected, right? There was a false breakout. This is how the retailers are getting gets trapped. Again it came down, again it had a false breakout, it came down, right? Finally it has given a breakout of the long-term trend line. Now what is happening, guys, right? It went up almost like 25th October. If you look at this date, right, 25th October it had a breakout, and then today, almost today or yesterday, the same trend line acted as a support. Yeah, though it has acted here as a support also, it came down, it took this support, it went up, and again it came down, it took this support. So now if I do not have that white line, so everyone will think that okay, it took this support, so this might go up. Nifty has become bullish, right? There are like too many bulls. But now let me show you, right? Let me plot that line. Okay, give me a second, guys. Now I'll delete this line, or else just let's take an example. Now Nifty had a pullback. It could be a sort of retracement, or else I could say it's a sort of reversal also. This becomes reversal only when Nifty breaches this white color trend line. Again, why this white color line is very important? Because whenever this is a confluence zone, whenever it took the support, it went up. It took the support, it went up. Almost took the support, it went up. This is where it got breached. Now this white line will act as a very strong resistance. So there are like 3 possibilities, guys. There are like 3 possibilities. Now if at all I want to say that Nifty has become bullish, so that is only possible when Nifty went up, it retest, and then slowly it will go up. So then I'll say okay, Nifty, right, started the bullish trend. Point number 1, scenario number 1. Or else, let's say it might play between this support and resistance for a few days, and then it might give a breakout, or else it might give a breakdown. Got it, guys? Second scenario. Third scenario would be, maybe this could be a sort of pullback, right? This could be a sort of retracement, and then tomorrow, in coming days, Nifty might go take the resistance, it will come, it will break this support, and then it might go down, right? 3 scenarios. So one is if this white line is breached with good momentum candle, right, with a good reversal candle, so then we can say okay, Nifty has become bullish, or else this can play within this black line and this blue line, support and resistance. Maybe for majority of the folks you might be thinking this as a junk line, but this is how the market structure is, guys. You have to believe. Okay, let me delete again, let me reiterate one more time, right? Only when the white line is breached with a good reversal candle, so then we can say Nifty has become bullish, right? Stay on, guys, stay on. We are going to, second thing is like this might play within this range and then it might give a breakout or else breakdown. The third one would be tomorrow, maybe with a gap down. This will open a gap down, it will retest and then it might fall down. Okay, so these are all the three scenarios. And the other scenario what I can say is, right, this is how you need to have your own levels, guys. So the next thing is like, even if I draw a sort of trend line, guys, right, even if I draw a trend line like this, so now if Nifty breaks this white line, so I'll be not bullish. Just in case if this breaches this white line and retest, and if it goes on up, so then it is a sort of double confirmation. For the reason being, whenever this line has acted as a resistance 1, see resistance 2, resistance 3 and 4, and then it had a false breakout, same thing, now this will act as a resistance. If this resistance gets breached with good breakout, so then we can say Nifty to be gain the momentum on the upside. Alright, guys, so these are the 3 to 4 combinations. See, if at all you want, I can discuss for another 20 minutes also, but these are all the 4 combinations. So I'm just doing this on the 1 day time frame. So I'm just see this the sort of analysis what I'm doing is like considering 1 day time frame. So just in case if you want, you can just go to 1 hour, you can go to 15 minutes. It all depends on your style, right? And one more thing, guys, one more thing I wanted to tell you, right? I use only 2 indicators. Let me delete this line just to make it more clear. The other 2 indicators, the only indicator what I use is like 200 moving average and then the 400 moving average. See, guys, one thing is clear. Now Nifty is, I use the exponential moving average, guys. So this is, let me show you the setting. This is, right, if you look at this 200 moving average and then the yellow line, right, and this sort of green line is the 400 moving average. So for me, whenever Nifty takes the support of 200 moving average, if it is going up, so my maybe the thought process, or I would wrong to say prediction, but I would say that okay, this 200 moving average can act as a very strong support and also resistance. Now this 200 moving average will act as a very strong resistance, right? As and when the market goes up, right, this see, there is a sort of confluence basically. Now there is a great test for Nifty. So Nifty has to break this white line, and also if this breaks this 200 moving average and if it retests and if it goes up, right, so then it is a sort of confirmation saying that okay, Nifty might go up because this 200 moving average will act as a strong support. The second scenario what I can see is like, just because Nifty is standing between 200 moving average and the 400 moving average, so worst case if Nifty has to come down, so maybe this line, this 400 moving average will act as a very strong support. Got it, friends? So maybe either if it breaks this green line, and also as and when this breaks the green line, this 400 moving average is also like what I mean to say, like it will be like aligned with this green line, so this will act as a strong support. So for me, if this gets breached, then Nifty we can go down, guys, because this has breached the 400 moving average, exponential moving average. Let's see how it goes. So I've just told you like 5 to 6 scenarios. This is how, guys, you have to do the price action. If you end up going into 15 minutes time frame, right, you will mess up your trade. This is only for the intraday, but just to get the long term view of the Nifty or Bank Nifty, the ideal time frame would be what? The ideal time frame would be what do we say, 1 day. And if at all you want to do some sort of swing tradings and everything, you can go for weekly also, right? This is how the weekly view will show, right? Let me show you, right, the trend line. Now look at the weekly time frame, right? It has taken the support of this white line. So ideally you do not see the VIX. So ideally it took the support of this blue line, and now it's going up. Alright, so not going up, basically this is where the market stands. So now it's a crucial time for Nifty, right? It's a make or break. Let me get you back to 1 day. Okay, let me get you back to Monday. So just check this, guys. If I zoom this out, right, this is how this can play. Okay, again let me read it. Right, this is one possibility, right? Between this is another scenario, or else this can break down. Third scenario, or else you draw the line, some sort of trend line like this. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you. Just draw some trend line like this, and if Nifty breaks this trend line and also this white trend line, so the confirmation would be I would say it's a sort of double confirmation, right? Nothing is concrete, nothing is certain in share market. All right, guys, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe my video, and also please share with your friends. All right, thank you.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Hybrid Trader and make your options, strategies, and swing trading dreams come true. Download the app now.